Hello, my name is Bryanna. This is Yoga with Bryanna, and welcome to today's video. I'll be guiding you today through the practice of Nadi Shodhana, this Pranayama, or alternate nostril breathing. In Sanskrit, Nadi are the energetic channels of the body, and Shodhana means cleansing or purification. So we're cleansing and purifying the energetic channels of the body. This is done through the nostrils. Both sides of the nostrils govern the ways of balancing the brain, both left and right hemisphere, and also both sides of the nervous system, both parasympathetic and sympathetic. This practice is also known for balancing the feminine and the masculine. So with these wonderful qualities, we'll get started for our practice. You can start by lifting your right hand up and lowering the index and middle finger into the base of the palm, while keeping your right elbow lifted. Now breathe in through both nostrils. Cover the right nostril using the thumb completely and exhale just through the left side. Now, before we start alternating, we're just going to be breathing in and out through one nostril at a time to prime and prep. So take about 5 breaths in and out just through the left side. When you breathe through the left side, you activate the Ida Nadi, the feminine channel of the body, which governs the right hemisphere of your brain and the parasympathetic side of your nervous system. Bring breath, bring awareness here. On your last exhale, lower the hand back down. Take 3 to 5 breaths in between. Breathing in and out only through the nose, and when you are ready, we'll do the same on the right side. So you can take the same hand position, breathe in through both nostrils. Close the left side nostril using the ring and pinky finger and exhale only through the right side. Now breathe in and out through the right side about 5 times. And as we do this, we're activating the Pingala Nadi, the masculine side of the body, which governs the left hemisphere of our brain, our logic, our reasoning, and the sympathetic side of our nervous system. So we activate both, we bring them both into balance and oxygenate them purely. Keep going at the same pace of breath. Lower the hand back down when you're ready, and again take about 3 to 5 breaths to reset, to bring your awareness to both nostrils. Breathe in and out through both. Now it's natural if you found one side a little bit more open than the other. Our goal is to find balance and to maintain that balance for them. So when you are ready, we'll start to inhale again, cover the right nostril, and slowly begin to alternate. Exhale out through the left nostril completely, and then breathe in through the left side. Close the left nostril. Exhale, release the thumb, and release all the breath out through just the right side. Inhale through the right side. Close the nostril, release the left side, and exhale completely through the left. Inhale through the left. Close the nostril. Exhale through the right side and release completely. Now we'll stay at this pace. You can stay with me, breathing in through one side, closing and exhaling through the opposite. You can also take this at your own pace. If you notice that one side is still a bit closed, it's recommended to stay in the preparatory stages a little bit longer, where you breathe in and out through one side at a time. So if you notice one side is very closed, focus on breathing in and out through it first before doing the alternating. And then you'll become to get more comfortable. The breath will be easier. And again, the goal here is balance on both sides. Balance for our brain, balance for the proper flow of oxygen to these places, and the cleansing energetically throughout the body. Now it's expected throughout this practice that ideally the openness of the nostrils makes it a bit more comfortable to breathe, which is wonderful for proper sleep and going about your day. But this is also really nicely clearing for the mind and feels really calm, grounding, and centering. And essentially because you are bringing both sides into balance. So it's a wonderful practice of stability, of relaxing the nervous system and nourishing it, also sending signals and communication throughout the brain. So take this moment to continue if you are still at your practice, or you can come back down and again take about 3 to 5 breaths. Because the practice focuses so much on balancing both sides, it's a wonderful practice for centering and generally grounding the mind and the body as well. When you feel you have finished your practice, you can slowly bring your awareness back, rub your palms together, and then hover the hands about an inch over the face. You can blink your eyes open to look down at your palms and come back to your center. Thank you so much for practicing today, and if you want to learn more about Nadi Shodhana, I'll share more in the description below. See you next time.